Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the applications larger so you can see them easier on your Motorola phone. So let's swipe on down from the top right, go to Settings, then go on down to Display. And we are looking for display size and text or something similar. Then we have two options. So we have font size and display size. Go to display size, look at the icons on the top. They're going to get bigger. And then you can scroll through here and you can see the different options for messaging and maybe just going through an email or something like that. And that's the largest and this is the smallest. So you can also adjust your font size on the top here. So if you want a little bit smaller display size, let's go to display size 2. And then you can adjust this through here too. So just look at these as an option, and then we have bold text right here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.